Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start by gathering the right tools for removing a residential door lock. Gather a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead, and an Allen wrench for common screws. Bring a flashlight and tape measure for visibility and alignment checks. Keep a small container to hold screws and small parts so you do not lose them. Inspect the door to confirm it swings freely and the latch is aligned with the strike plate. Clear space on both sides of the door and place a towel to protect finishes. Begin by locating visible screws on the knob face and backplate. If screws are hidden, insert a small tool into the release hole to pull the knob halves apart. Pull the two knob halves straight apart to expose the spindle and latch assembly inside. Slide out the spindle and set it in your parts container. Unscrew the two screws holding the latch in the door edge and remove the latch faceplate. Pull the latch mechanism free and inspect for wear or damage before continuing. To remove the cylinder, locate the retaining screw along the door edge and remove it. With the retaining screw removed, turn the key slightly to align the cylinder cam and slide the cylinder out. Note the cylinder orientation and the cam position to ensure correct reinstallation later. If replacing, insert the new cylinder and verify the cam engages the latch properly by testing with the key. Reinstall the latch assembly and secure it with its screws. Reassemble the
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.